Hi everyone, today I am going to be unboxing the oil pastels by SENNELIER. Here it is. I recently got this from London. This is a set of 12 introductory colors by them. These are all the colors that you see here. We are going to explore each one of them. I would be swatching them out to show you exactly how they look. These are basically artist grade colors, and they are artist quality colors, and they are not, hopefully not as chalky as your normal crayons would be. A crayon that a child uses is very different in terms of pigment and the quality, and this one is artist grade, which means that it will be quite smooth and quite velvety to work with. I'm also going to be swatching it on the black sketchbook to see how it goes. So inside we have the SENNELIER description of their products. It contains all the range of products that SENNELIER makes, which includes their watercolors, gouache, their soft pastels, inks and oils, etc. And what I see inside here is, I think, their range of soft pastels. It includes highlighting all the different kinds of soft pastels, and that they have been into oil pastels since 1949. They say in 1949, Pablo Picasso asked Henry Sennelier to create a new medium that had the qualities of oil paints and soft pastels in an easy-to-apply stick form. And this is how it started. It's an amazing story if you look at it. And considering this history, there are different kinds of feelings that one can have about a particular brand as well. They have oil pastels in different ranges. These are like for 24. These are like the 24 pastels in different things for portraits. So these are like the series. For portraits they have certain colors, 24 colors. For nature they have different ones, and for landscapes different. So, and they also have oil pastels in wooden boxes like this if you want to buy. And this would be the color chart. This would be the color chart for the oil pastels. It's like a swatch in itself, and you can see they have around 120 colors, which are light fast, and they have mentioned about how light fast they are, and what is their brightness, and what is the color intensity for each of them. These are quite a lot of colors right here. So moving on, I am going to open the box to show you how it looks. It's a new box, even I have not seen it, so here you go. So here it is, guys. These are 12 introductory colors from SENNELIER oil pastels. These are some of the basic colors that one can have, and which one we also see in the watercolors. So they have, I'm going to just swatch them quickly and show you what it is. What I have with me right now is called the Black Sketchbook, which is curated by me. My name is Niharika, if you still don't know. And this Black Sketchbook is about 260 GSM. It's a multimedia book, and it is apt for mediums such as gouache, metallic watercolors, acrylics, light washes of acrylics, oil pastels, and of course pencil colors as well, calligraphy inks. People have done some beautiful calligraphy inks. As I touch this color, some of the color is already there on my hands, which shows how smooth and velvety this is going to be. Since I am doing this on the black paper, the black color would not show, so let me just swatch it on the white one and show you. Oh yes, this is amazing. It's it's the softest thing that I have ever put on paper. It's beautiful. Let me swatch the other colors quickly and show you. The orange isn't quite as bright as I was expecting it to be on the black sketchbook. Let me try it on the white one and show you. There is something about the yellows here because on the black sketchbook they're not as vibrant as your white and blues and the browns and reds. Um, that would not be a problem if you know how to find a solution to this. We anyways would not be using the primary colors like this directly, we would be mixing them, so I think it would be able to use it more appropriately. Now the one thing about these oil pastels which is mentioned on their booklet is that when we dilute the colors with turpentine, then they can be blended with the brush and applied on different surfaces. The different surfaces can be any type of canvas, coated, uncoated, with or without support, a cardboard, a chipboard, a cork, wood, plywood, mezzonite, ceramic, plaster, metal, or plastic. In fact, on a glass, smooth and rough, it can be done, or on photographic prints. And of course, any paper which is 170 GSM or above is also recommended. It is an acid-free and it is an acid-free medium, and it can be used on the multimedia paper as well. So that is an interesting fact that you can mix it with the turpentine and apply it with the brush. Like I was telling you the story. Pablo Picasso himself asked Henry Sennelier to create something like that, which can be used. So only on the combination of Picasso's request with the know-how of Henry Sennelier could he have created this new medium, which actually enables an artist to express their talent more joyfully and in a different manner. If you get to use them, please do share how you felt about this medium, and please do tag us in the posts. So have a good day, guys, and I hope you enjoy using these as much as we are. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.